Hello, dear students. The career making opinion in the subject of physical education is not easy. Today, we are going to discuss about various physical education courses in India. Choosing a career in physical education has a wide variety of its activities, along with good status or job or profession. Physical education can provide lot of career options like as a player, as a coach, as a physical education teacher, as a sport journalist, as an umpire or referee, or as a commentator, as a physical fitness instructor, etc. There are various training institutions for promoting academic and skill qualifications in physical education. For adopting physical education as a profession, one need the qualification. The courses such as BP, that is Bachelor of Physical Education, or Post Graduation Diploma in Physical Education, MPE, Master of Physical Education, or Post Graduation in Physical Education, MSS, Master of Sports Science, NIS Diploma, National Institute of Sport Diploma in a specific game, and some other courses are also available that you can see in the list. First one is Bachelor of Physical Education. Its duration is 4 years, and you will be eligible for it if you are 12th pass with at least 50% marks from any national international university or recognized schools in, or you have some diplomas in sport competitions, some certificates. Then you have master. After that bachelor, you can go for masters, Master of Physical Education, MP or MPEd. Its duration is of 2 years. For this, you should have at least bachelor degree in field of physical education or equivalent with at least 50% of marks. Post graduation diploma in physical fitness and management, PGDFM. Its duration is 1 year, and for this course you should have obtained at least 45% marks and 40% for SC and ST category in bachelor degree in any discipline from recognized universities. Then you have postgraduate diploma in sport management, PGDSM. For this you should have minimum 45% marks in bachelor degree or any discipline from any recognized university. Its duration is 1 year. Other than some more courses are available as a master's degree in sport coaching, diploma courses in sport coaching, certificate courses in sport coaching, postgraduate diploma in sport medicine, etc. These all courses are available. You can see in the list. Earlier, physical education as a profession was not recognized in society and had poor social status. But the growing demands of educational institutes like school, colleges, universities, clubs, training centers, recreation parks, etc., has increased its status and recognition. Today, the professionals of physical education are easily adjusted in good status jobs. Thus, this profession is in great demand in educational field, private sector, public sector, or industries, etc. For career in sport and physical education, one should have an interest, first of all, in the field of physical education activities, sport and games. One should possess a high level of physical fitness, a good health, sound mental stability, competitive spirit, and emotional balance. The leadership quality and good socialization skill enhance the career options in physical education. The commanding voice, organizing ability, responsibility, faith, honesty, self confidence, self discipline, mental toughness, dedication, willpower, cope with the injuries and setback to problems, etc., are the qualities required for career in physical education. Hope so you have understood the points well. Study well at home, have good food, exercise every day, keep yourself safe. Thank you.